Now continuing, we had a negative 23.5 degrees. What does that really mean? Going back to quadrant 4, you have east, south. Negative 23.5 degrees is relative to this angle between the vector and east. Now, of course, you have 23.5 degrees. The calculator cannot see 360 for east. It usually processes it as 0 degrees. So, of course, negative 23.5 degrees from 0 is 23.5. Now if we approach it from 360, we subtract the same value, 23.5. You have 336.5. Now earlier I said we're going to the southeast. This is quadrant 4, responsible for 270 through 360 degrees. This number makes more logical sense compared to negative 23.5 as the calculator gave it to us originally. Now here's the thing. You have a total of 4 quadrants. In this case, quadrant 1 gave you 90 degrees. Quadrant 2 gives you an additional 90. And finally, quadrant 3 gave you an additional 90. So, 90 times 3 gives you 270 degrees total. Now here's the next step. When we're breaking it down in quadrants, what is this degree given in the yellow just within the quadrant of 270 through 360? In reality, you have 0 through 90 degrees for each quadrant. Now you know, given here, you have a gap of 23.5. So 90 minus 23.5 equals 66.5. And if you add these two numbers together, you return the same value of 336.5 degrees. That is the returning angle for the dog. And as I said before, this is roughly southeast, which makes sense compared to the diagram given here in both forms. Now to re-elaborate, the dog returns in the green vector here on the left to the southeast. And when we focus on that one vector, it was also going to the southeast. Now refer it back to degrees as given here. Your final answer in this case, of course, a little too big, will be 336.5 degrees for the returning angle of the dog or the puppy.